Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are doing good. I am your science teacher of grade 3. Open your books, page number 4. In previous class we were studying about living things living things need air, water for their surviving. The third requirement is living things need food. Before starting this topic, what is your favorite food item? Just an example that I like biryani. You can also say that I like fruits to eat. Living things need food. Come to the topic. Food is actually eatable items, the things which we eat, which can give us nutrients. All living things need food to stay alive. What is the main function? That food helps to give us healthy life, or without food we cannot survive, we cannot live. Food gives them energy to grow and to stay healthy. The next function is that food gives us energy and for growth, and we can also stay healthy due to this food. Energy keeps their bodies moving and working. Now this energy, underline this word, it can keep our body moving, it can help to move our body and also doing different activities, also help in performing different activities. This energy is given by food. When we take healthy food, it can give us energy. Food also helps to repair our damaged body parts. The third function is that it can also repair our damaged parts, our damaged body parts, those parts which is damaged or which is destroyed, it can helps to repair it. To perform all these different functions, we need different types of food. Now these functions is performed by eating different types of foods. Foods are divided into different groups based on the types of important substance they provide us and their uses. Food is divided into different groups. These groups are based on their substance. For example, some food items contain fats, so it's come into fatty substance, fatty food. Some foods that contain carbohydrate, potato, take an example of potato, so it's come into carbohydrate group, etc. These are picture of different food items. We can also take it as a balanced diet. Balanced diet means equal diet. Balanced diet means equal diet. It can be also defined as the diet which can give us all the nutrients is known as balanced diet. First group is carbohydrate. Now, which food contain carbohydrate? Any idea related to carbohydrate? It's a name of nutrients. Keep it in mind, it's a name of nutrients. Now this carbohydrate, it's also known as energy giving food, because when we eat carbohydrate, it can give us energy. They are also known as energy giving food. Underline this word, energy giving foods. These include wheat, rice, potatoes and corn. Now which food items come into carbohydrate group? That is wheat. Underline word wheat, rice, potato and corn. We eat them daily through roti, bread, pasta, rice, etc. We can take these items, these carbohydrate items in form of roti, bread, pasta, rice, etc. These foods provide us the energy to play, grow, run and study. Now what is the function of this carbohydrate food items? They can help or they can give us energy to play or to grow, to run and study. Look at this picture. This picture includes all carbohydrate food items. Those food which contain carbohydrate. Look at this picture. It's a potato. It's a picture of rice. It's a picture of pasta. These all are food items. It's a picture of wheat. These all are food items which contain carbohydrate. I think it's enough for today. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.